Use the advantages of Battenberg Measurement Robotics for automated measurement of the operating comfort of vehicle doors and vehicle hatches. Battenberg measuring robots can be used both in quality testing during production and in vehicle development. The quality of installed vehicle doors can now be quickly tested with Battenberg measuring robots. The measuring procedures are programmed only once per vehicle model. Then there is an automated sequence. Drive up vehicle, apply measurement marks, set up sensor system for detection of door position, start test cycle, synchronize the robot and door positions, carry out measurement. The measurements of the release force, door opening characteristic curve and door closing energy is done automatically. Also profit from the advantages of Battenberg Measurement Robotics for automated door and hatch testing. Let's look at the sequence step by step. After the vehicle is driven up, the measurement marks are applied around the door handle. Battenberg measurement marks are adhesive, i.e. they are not glued, but rather they only adhere to the surface. The measurement marks are easily removed with no residue. Thanks to the positioning aid, the laser profile sensor can be set easily and precisely at the correct location. Then the positioning aid is removed. Using the camera, the position of the door and the door handle is synchronized with the position of the robot arm. All programmed measurement sequences can now be started. The Battenberg measuring robot releases the vehicle door with the releasing tool and measures the force displacement curve during the releasing process. After the door is opened, the laser profile sensor transfers the door angle to rob flow. The measurement robot changes to the suction tool and force-controlled teaches the trajectory for the door opening. After the door opening trajectory is taught, the measurement takes place, i.e. the measurement robot opens the door while measuring the force angle characteristic curve. Also, the slamming force, the closing energy, and the closing speed can be measured or calculated. The minimum closing energy is also determined through step-by-step iteration. The robot applies force on the door and thus pushes it. The laser profile sensor follows the behavior of the door during the closing process. Battenberg Measurement Robotics can be connected to the vehicle bus system in order to record whether the door actually was closed or not. Also profit from the advantages of Battenberg Measurement Robotics flexibly. Use the Battenberg measurement robots in the entire vehicle analysis and in the vehicle development. The automated measurement procedure saves you time and resources. New vehicle models can be programmed at any time, since the Battenberg software RobFlow is easy to teach. For difficult measurement tasks, you can rely on the Battenberg programming service.